Exciting time when boxes come. Gypsy, look at this box. Look at this box. Isn't this box something you really want to get into? Look it. That's a box you really want to get into, isn't it? There you go. How is that box? It's pretty exciting. You like that box? Here's another Costco box. That other box is passé now, isn't it? This box is really something. Gypsy, look at, hey? How about that box? There's two exciting boxes there. It's just hard to know which one's better. Maybe that first one's better, the better box. Here's a nice soup box. Look at this soup box. You like this soup box? Take a look in this soup box. Check out that soup box. Isn't that exciting?